Changing the phone number associated with your PlayStation account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign in. Visit the PlayStation website or open the PlayStation app and sign into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found under your profile icon or in the menu options. Step 3. Select security. In the account settings, look for the security section. Here, you will find options related to your account security, including phone number management. Step 4. Update phone number. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Save changes. After entering and verifying your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change the phone number linked to your PlayStation account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for assistance.